Oh, I'm muted. I was muted. Sorry. Welcome, Lawrence. Hello. And Natasha, thank you so much. I'm the favorite YouTuber. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning and have a blessed day, you too, Lawrence. Well, I'm just a little bit all over the place because Take Profit Trader just deleted the activation fee. But from a 50%, it goes back to 30%. So I have to change some stuff here. But hey, that is absolutely awesome. No activation fee with Take Profit Trader. I think it's a good deal. Okay, I have to update some stuff here. All right, updating everything. Yeah, sure, Natasha. Any question, let me know. Let me know. All right. Almost a double top here, by the way. Oh, that is great. That is just great. Let me change the pin message here. I'm gonna make a quick phone call, but I'm reading. Sorry, just a quick phone call. You have your first account to Take Profit Trader. Congratulations. Congratulations. Have 2K now, but I need 6 in 5 days. Hold on. You have 2K in profit. Which account is that? Is the 50K or the 150K? Or is it just the valuation account? Is it just a test account? If it's just a test account, depends on what size account you have, you know. Depends on which size account you have, basically. So you have 2K first ever, and I have 2K now. So is this a test account or are you funded? Am I muted? I'm not muted. Hey, Kirk. I was on the phone. But I'm reading now. I am muted. Can't hear. Hold on. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh, all right. All right. Dude. I am. Oh. I was started sweating here. Are you kidding? My God. My God. Hey Vivian, szia, üdvözöllek. Hogy mit Vivian? Alright. Küldtem neked e-mailt múltkor a szerverhez, de nem tudom megkaptad, de mindegy, megkaptad, de ha nem, akkor majd újra küldöm. It's okay, alright. It's alright. I was like terrified, like what is happening? Oh man. Like what is going on, man? It can't be. uh. Hold on, what is going on here? Just a second. I'm managing something here. I have to make I have to update the banner here. I don't know. I have to update the banners. Something is not cool. And the market open is almost here. I'll be right with you. Okay. Okay, so what is the size here? All right, now it's better. Let's change it. Okay, so let me read. Okay, semmi gond. Majd újra küldöm. Don't try using your Bulenox code, but it wouldn't give me. It should be okay now, Kirktown. Yeah, because they re-changed it until the 7th of March. So practically it ended on Friday, but on the weekend they changed it back. So what I did is I automatically switched it to 83 because the previous one was deactivated, but they were tricky this time because they re-switched it to 91. So now it's working. Now it should be working. Kirk, thank you so much. SNT-t nem igazán szoktam. Nekem nem annyira jött át, de sokaknak sikerül. Good morning, MB Trader. Sokak használják, nekem annyira nem jött át, de attól jó. Vivian was just asking if I use SMT divergence. Oh, by the way, we have the market open. If I use it, but I wasn't really successful with it so far. That doesn't mean it's not working. Actually, it's a good concept, I think. All right, going lower a little bit, not too much. Not too much, not too much. All right, still going lower maybe. Who knows? Going back up there. It seems to be that this might want to break the 21,101 on the micro. And on the mini, the high was also 101.50. Repricing up here. Looks interesting. We have some news, right? I think we have some news. Yeah, we have manufacturing PMI numbers. Everybody's going to wait for that. So it's better to wait, I guess, until we get those numbers. Let's wait for it. I think it wants to go higher. I'm not in a trade, but seemingly it wants to go higher. Yeah, there you go. Broke the high. All right. Broke the high. I'm waiting for a possible reversal here, but nothing's gonna happen until the news, I guess. Is it correct that I have to do the 6K in? Oh yeah, I forgot to answer Natasha. In 5 days and follow the rules. No, I mean, if you have 150K, then the minimum, you don't have to do it in 5 days. No, Natasha, don't worry about that. That's the minimum trading days. You can do it in 6 months or a year. The problem is it's a monthly subscription, you know. So as long as you're not blowing up the account and you're paying the monthly subscription fee, you can take the whole year to pass the test account. The 5 days is the minimum trading days. It's a minimum trading days. It's 5 days. So don't worry about it. Is it correct? If you're asking the test account, but that's not it. I mean, you have 2K already, as I was reading. So you have 2K already. If this is a test account, you have 2K already. Then you might have to do like 7K. I think 159 is the target. So you can take your time as long as you're paying the subscription fee. Once you're funded, the only thing you have to focus on 150K account is just get above the safety threshold, which is $4,500. That's what you have to focus. And once you get, okay, nice. Okay, so now you have to go, if you have $4,500 on the funded. Once you get above the funded, basically you can request a payout every day with Take Profit Trader. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you get it. Or you can do what I did. I was greedy. I closed down the account. You can take the safety threshold, 50% of the safety net, if you decide to close the account. All right, look at this. Wow. Wow. What is going on? I'm not in a position. 100 points down. What is here? That's actually a bullish order block. Might want to break it. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Natasha. So now, if anyone is new, just saying that as of today, Take Profit Trader has the new promo. I just barely updated some stuff here, but it's 30%, not 50% off, so it's back to 30%, but there is no activation fee. So keep that in mind. There is no activation fee and no daily loss limit. I think still technically the best deal. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive. I know. Let me actually check the prices here. Let me check the prices. So the 50K is 170. Let me get the calculator here. 170. So $119 currently. The 50K account. $119 instead of 85. Yeah. $34 more expensive, but no activation fee. Yeah, I think the Take Profit Trader is absolutely getting to be maybe even the best. Who knows? But they're good. I mean, I like the other ones too. I mean, Bulenox is good. All of them are good. The main ones. So all of them are good. And Take Profit Trader is definitely stepping up. So I like it. What a drop here. And we don't even have news. I don't want to enter into a trade like this. I mean, not under these conditions. Yeah, exactly. Those are big names, so staying with the big ones. Wow, it's still dropping. Let's go to the 5-minute. How far is it gonna go? How far? Okay. So far it seems like it's stopping. I have no intention to jump into a short. Not here. Actually, now that we swept the lows, we swept some levels here. I mean, it's not a big deal here. It's actually after the London AM session, but it might want to continue, keep going higher. So let's see. 120. Could go. $168, $229. All right, look at that. Going lower. Yeah, we have the news real close. Welcome, Naomi. Welcome. Yeah, and 10. I guess the music should stop around 45. Whatever it does, it could be wiggling up and down, but everybody's gonna wait for the 10 a.m. most likely. I think that's gonna be the thing. Let me do a quick check on pound dollar. I know it sounds weird, but it's a secret. Don't tell anyone. But I do have an account with the Fivers too. So I'm trading with the Fivers as well. But that's a secret. What is going on with the pound? Not trading the pound. I was just curious. All right, nothing. Let's look at gold. Gold, it was actually beautiful. Look at this. This was actually great. Oh, it wasn't a market structure shift there. This was a nice shift. Beautiful. And this looks like a possible short opportunity on gold. Didn't really take out the 28.96, but we'll see. All right. Just a moment. Let me grab a drink and actually I'll be right back. All right. Don't go anywhere. Push the like, subscribe. All right, I'm back. So let's wait for the news. It's not going to do anything until then. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Is it going higher? I don't know. Is it going higher? I'm back. Yeah. 21,300. I mean, yeah, I can imagine 21,300. Why not? Let's check the 1 hour chart. Yeah, first of all, we have a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Here. I'm going to call it buy side liquidity or 1 hour fair value gap. There you go. 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see. On the 5 minute, 386. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. This was last Thursday. Oh, okay, yeah. This is actually, you know why it's good? You know why? Because it's the 9:30 open. Almost. It's the opening range. So that's the opening range here. I mean, not to the downside, but to the upside. So I like it. It's really good. It's really, really good. Possible buy side at 381 or higher, of course, at 87 or 6. But that looks actually good. That actually looks good. So, what was the news? What did the news say? The PMI number, final PMI, manufacturing. That's actually good, right? Yeah. Okay. Slightly. I mean, that's a positive news. The thing is, on the 1 minute, there is no structure here. There is no swing. Oh, what just happened? 50-point drop in a second. Is that possible? I think it is. So there was no. Now here's the structure. Let's see. Let's see. What? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You're just joking, man. You're joking. You didn't. You did not. That's not possible. I know. I know. You see? I see through you. I know. I know. I know what's happening there. You're joking. I am. I am awake. I'm actually shocked. It's too many emotions. Too much for me. Don't say you're losing accounts. That gives PTSD to everyone. Oh man. All right. Okay. What is going on? I'm American. Oh, I see. Okay. Give the friends PTSD. All right. Well, you know. Uh, all right. Are we going lower here? Yeah, nice to know, right? Yeah. Um, 8 minutes. We still have the macro. We have Asia low. I feel like how far are we from Asia low? Oh my God, 66 points. I think it can go down to Asia low. I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a short on a Bulenox account, maybe. Maybe it wants to go lower. Asia low is at 63, right? Yeah. This is not looking good. Is it going to try to take out the lows? Yeah, Crooktown. I just saw that updated the banner and the promo already. Yeah, no activation fee, but the discount goes back from 50 to 30%. But at least no activation fee. So the 50K account, for example, is only quote unquote only $34 more expensive, but at least you don't have an activation fee, which is, I think, is absolutely a doable deal. So is a doable deal. Are we going lower? Don't forget to check the cash giveaway link in the description or in the chat or in the title of the stream. Whoa, did we just go down? I think I just passed the Bulenox account. Nice. Yeah, so I was short. I just passed the Bully account. Nice. At least that's one. Still a few more minutes. PMI not even up half point from this time year. Well, I thought it's good news, but it's still dropping. Thank you, Kirk. Well, seems like we're still going lower. 840. Where is the account? This is the one. One trade, one single trade with 4 minis. I was just aiming for the Asia low as it was dropping. So ICT 700. That's what he's saying. All right. You know what? We can put a marker there. 15 minutes missing now. The 15-minute right here. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, right here. We could bounce soon. I mean, we could. We could. I'm kind of curious why ICT was saying this level. Why was he saying this level? What does he want? He's just messing up my mind. Yeah. We could or could not. Anything can happen. All right, we have the news in a few seconds. Hello, Nertender, good to see you. Telling us lies. I don't know what he wants, but hey, let's. I'm gonna put a marker to 700. We're gonna have news. In a few seconds here. So let's see. Here comes the news. Oh wow, look at that. Jesus. Okay. All right. Oh wow. It seems like we are going lower. Well, if anyone trades funded accounts, careful with the news trading. There might be some restrictions, but wait at least 2 minutes after the news to be safe. We don't have other news, right? What's the number? What's the number? Well, manufacturing prices went up. That's not a bad. That's not really a good news. Trump is gonna speak again. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this one just. Well, at MyFundedFutures, you should not have open positions 2 minutes before and until after the red folder news, and the same goes with Take Profit Trader. But usually there is a calendar, which I'm going to check right now. There's a calendar, and they usually mark it way before. So let me just so if I check the calendar on Take Profit Trader, there is no news marked for today. That's good. At MyFundedFutures, let's see if they marked out any news event. Tier 1 news. No, no news for today. So for example, here at MyFundedFutures, on the calendar, they mark out everything that you cannot trade. So we have the non-farm payroll, right? Here. FOMC, and these are CPI, and the other ones are for crude oil, I think. FTMO does actually how MyFundedFutures. I think FTMO, I mean, the futures platform started this. I think FTMO is copying them. Oh, okay. Don't spec Cheeto, man. PMI is trash. Yeah, I'm seeing the numbers here. Anyway, I can actually imagine this one going lower, but you have a small gap here. There's a huge delay on the Take Profit Trader Rhythmic accounts. And there was also a gap here created by at the news release. So that could be an issue. Makes it a little bit harder to trade properly. Retracement going higher could be. Don't forget, I'm checking the Quant Hour data feeds as well. We have a gap here now because of the news. I think it needs to be rebalanced with some up close candles, but I wouldn't be surprised if this would go lower. Okay. Are we going to have a market structure shift? The problem is, even if I take it with one single micro, that's too much risk. Too much risk to enter. Even with one micro. Let's check the higher time frames. I like this one here. This is beautiful. If you look at the 5 minute up there, beautiful bearish order block. Or what is this? Supply. This is the it's just a textbook supply area up here. Textbook. It doesn't get any more better than this. This is like so beautiful. I like it. But of course that doesn't mean we cannot go lower. But anyway, gotta be careful. Now it seems like the delay is getting fixed now. Okay, looks okay. Looks okay-ish. Gonna wait. This is also a not too perfect bearish order block or supply zone. Would be great. Actually, let's see the first fair value gap. Or first presentation gap. It's up there. First presentation gap up here. First fair value gap. Okay. Okay, this is something I kind of like. I would like to see a bullish up close candle above 78.50. At least. Or 79 would be even better. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like this. I like this. I really, really like this. Let's go higher. Let's go. Oh, now I don't like this. This is not good now. Okay, this is not good now. Swept to highs, didn't close above. Seems like wants to continue lower. I'm not trusting the buy, especially not after this. Feels like it wants to go lower. Feeling, there you go. When the feelings kick in. When the feelings kick in, you know. Man, I'm scared here. I'm actually, I think I might want to jump in. Jumped in with the sell. Only with 1 micro. I'm looking for... I'm actually looking for a lot of downside down there. Only 1 micro. Oh man. Really? Really? I think it's real. So I was hoping for repricing the 20, and now it's going up. Almost out from the position. Not looking good. Where is it? Almost out, and I'm out. Okay, lost 80 bucks. I thought it's just gonna, you know, melt down, but it didn't. I was really thinking that it's just gonna smelt or melt, but it's not going. Do I have a time period where I have to pay the performance account activation fee, or I can just sit it past until I can pay? So at Apex, I think you have to pay in about 2 days. Or what you can do is sign the contract, and I think you get more time, like a month or something. But I think it would be safer to ask support, Anthony. That would be the safest way. You know. Fine, just personal opinion. Rejected order block. Yeah. On the 4 hour. Yeah. Now I have to wait here, and I'm just gonna wait if this one goes above the 900. Oh, I see, Anthony. We're gonna pick the winner on Thursday, I think, or Wednesday. I'm not sure. I think Thursday. So we are stuck here. I mean, it's random. If you subscribe to it, we are going to pick the winner. I mean, you know, I gave it like 6 or 7 days, I think. And then on live stream, we're gonna pick the winner. But if you're not here and if you win, obviously you're gonna get an email. It's random. I mean, this website that I use is gonna pick the winner on a random raffle or whatever. Yeah, don't worry, Anthony. If you're not here, it's still all right. I'm gonna tweet it out, and I'm gonna send an email to the winner with the, you know, just to for the PayPal address or whatever. Still just hovering around here. Nothing is happening. Hey, Alicia, what's up? How much is the most you can make? Comply with 30% rule on Apex. Well, it's simple. I mean, it depends on what you're aiming for. So, the first payout level is at $2,600, right? So 30% of that is $780 if you want to take the payout right at that level. So obviously, I don't know, if you're aiming for $3,000, then 30% of that is $900, right? And so on. At 2,600, you can take out $500, and that's the maximum. And you need to leave 2,100 on the account. So It's up to you. What is your profit target? What are you aiming for? Are you aiming to take out $500, or are you aiming to take out at least $100? That's what you have to decide first. Man, the sun is shining here. You know. Oh, some orders are popping. All right. Aiming for 2K. Okay. So you want to get $2,000. That's $4,100 total profit, because you need to leave $2,100 on the accounts. So the maximum profit somewhere around $1,230 on one single day. That's it. That would be your maximum profit. Obviously, if you go higher, then you just have to continue a little bit more to trade. So that's the maximum profit for the day. For one day. I mean, the best day, as I meant to say. No problem. You all welcome. Is this gonna break lower, or what's the deal here? It's not doing too much. I thought that it wants to decline here. Let's see. Is it gonna try to go for the 800 again just to test it? I'm wondering. I mean, so far the 800 is holding. We don't have any other news, right? New 5-minute candle. Next liquidity is up almost at 900. That's a little bit higher. That's a little bit higher. Oh, wow. Okay. Spiking up there. Well, it's hard to decide here. It seems like it might want to go higher. We have a displacement, by the way, with a the small gap. I don't know how far. It wants to go. I think it might want to go for liquidity above there. Up to the 900s maybe. It seems to me. Maybe not. Might try to break this wick here. Okay. Okay, now this could be a structure shift. Could be a structure shift. President Musk Starship flight? No, is it gonna be today? I mean, yeah, it's basically President Musk, right? Oh, the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute BC. Oh. Look at this. Now this is something interesting because here on the 1 minute it looks like an order block to be broken. On the 5 minute it can actually reach higher. That is interesting here. That is interesting. How far can it go? I might put a limit buy here. I'm going to put a limit buy at 95.50. I know, just to make sure. 95.50 is a limit buy order. And I might try to target the 21K if it gets up there. Still not in the trade. Interesting. All right, I'm in the trade now. Looking for a continuation for that swing high. If it fails, awesome. If it doesn't fail, it's still good. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of the whole situation. Uh, 996. Can it go up there? I guess it could. Let's go. The flight is today? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I didn't know. Nobody told me. Bravo 6. Hello. Oh yeah, I know, Nartando. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely an interesting level. It might gonna fail, but you know, moving on to the next one. In that case. Hey, London cores. Well, London, sorry. I took a short, which I was stopped out from, and in the London session, we took trades. Yeah, I was actually waiting for this drop. I was waiting for a possible reversal, and yeah. London session, well, it was okay. It was okay. I had a nice trade with 2R. Then I got stopped out at break even, and then I also closed the trade with a very tiny small loss with a few dollars. Overall, almost at 2R. I ended up 1.8R for the London session. Yeah, but it was okay. Maybe I was too early on this. I felt like, you know, why not jump in? But I did. I did. Waiting for the night. I'm really hoping that, you know, if we could get back to 21K, that would be amazing. Honestly, at this point, I'm a little bit skeptical. Maybe I'm gonna put this to here. You know, the problem is if it goes lower than my stop, it obviously wants to reprice those levels down there. And so I'm not sure that I'm going to hold it for that long. Let's go. Come on. I really hope that it can. Oh my god. Why is it not going? It needs to go. We have a delay, by the way, I think. Come on. Jesus. Just one push. That's all I'm asking for. I'm gonna need to secure some profit because if I don't, I'm gonna go crazy if I'm not securing some profit from this. So if it takes the elevator down, well, I tried, you know. At least I tried, but there is liquidity, by the way, at 007. What's the high right there? 008, actually. Agent 008. You see, that's what I was afraid of. doesn't really want to take the oh man. It's part of the game. Yeah, I cannot take partials because this is only one micro, but on a funded account, so it's on a funded account. But I'm not risking. I mean, you know me, everyone. I risk very small portions on funded accounts. I don't like this trade, man. How big? I mean, that's what she said. Let's go. Oh, wow. This is so typical. Yeah, it would be awesome to have more buys, but I'm actually thinking to close the entire position down and take the profits. I don't feel like it has the strength now. My finger is on the close button. My finger is on the close button. It's too late now. I was hoping for that this was just a minor pullback, but it wants to go down for that gap. Oh, it's too late. I'm just gonna leave it be. Was a good start. It was a good start. I can also do like put back my stop loss down there. We were very close. We were actually up in the. Did we go to the 90s? Not really. What was the high there? 86.25. Yeah. Yeah, you sold with 5 minis? Oh my god. You just killed it, Jay. Wow, nice job. That's a nice job. Congratulations there. Yeah, I'm out. All right. I'm out. I have the same position on another account, which is still in. I'm still in on another account because this was not exactly copy traded, so I moved my stop manually here. But I got stopped out on that particular account. Unfortunate though. But this account, it still has it. The market maker, I tricked the market makers, but I think I'm gonna get stopped here as well. It just wants to go lower. Well, what can we do, right? So I got stopped out on one funded account. Below VWAP now. Look at this, man. Yeah. The only difference, I moved the stop loss differently in between these two accounts. So I put the stop loss a little bit lower on this account. And look at that. It wicked me out from the other account. This one is still in play. I don't know for how long. But I'm still in play. This. Man. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright. Wants to go lower. It wants to go lower. We know that now. The question still remains, what's the plan here? Was this a trick on the 5-minute there or on the 15-minute? Are we heading lower? We just took liquidity from this gap. So what's the plan here? Are we going to drop back down to 800? We didn't. Well, we took liquidity from up here. That's true. But this is actually an order block. Not a good one, but it's an order block. And I want to see this one going higher. I might try to re-enter once more. Use RSI. Volume profile. Volume profile is basically an indicator. It's a trading strategy. Well, not a trading strategy, but almost. Yeah. So there's many ways to use the volume profile. I'm not using it. Never really did, but obviously lots of people using it. Okay. Now this is interesting. Now this is getting more interesting. It just came down, sweep everybody, and then goes up again. Or I don't know. It actually made a structure shift. But I don't know what's happening. I would prefer this to go higher for that order block up there. Of getting average of our buyers and sellers. Yeah, most likely. Yeah. Pushing higher as a swing. Well, I don't know, Natasha. It's a little bit. It's a little bit annoying. Oh, thank you, Dominic. Thank you. I wasn't reading it. Longs, yeah. Seems like we're going. Went for last week's liquidity. Very, very, very interesting. Okay, this could be a continuation, maybe. I'm gonna be watching this closer. If this current candle would do, there you go, this kind of move, I might be interested in going long, but I need this candle to close higher. It would be great to see it close at least 45-ish or higher. It's not gonna do it, right? Come on. I don't like it. Technically, it's almost good, but not so good. We have only one tick here. How does the mini look like? Not good. It wasn't so bad, but not the real thing either. You know, to go long, the 1 to 2, you know, with one micro, can I do that? Maybe. That would be a very aggressive long position if I would jump into a long position here. That would be a very aggressive long. Actually, it would be super aggressive. All right, putting a buy limit at 36.50. Super aggressive long position. 36.50. It's not going. I think it wants to break to the 90s. I can almost feel it. I can almost feel it in my bones that it wants to go to the 90s. Did you see Trump's comment of crypto? The markets went wild. No, I haven't. What did he say? Well, you broke the PDH and for a reject the order block. Well, yeah, why not? We could. Yeah, no financial advice, obviously, but yeah. We could. Man, it's gonna go to the 90s. I can't risk this. This is too much risk to enter a scalp now. The range is too bad. But I think it wants to go. Trying to scalp it up to the 90s. I think it wants to go, but not sure. No, maybe not. Deleted my limit order there. There is liquidity up there. I just don't know what's the hold up here. Might want to reprice lower. I don't know. Okay, going lower. Let's wait for it. Okay, this would be the entry here. To try to, you know, take a long position up to the 90s. But this one might want to just drop like hell. Down to the, what's that? Down to the 800s maybe? Can it go? I feel like it can. What's it doing? Uh-huh. Yeah. I mean, there is liquidity at below the 806. I'm just not sure how long is it gonna hold. Feels like it might just want to fall here. Let's wait for it. Because if it wants to fall, then it has to get below, what's that level? 73. I wonder if it will do that or not. Or this was just a trick. Tricky move. Could have been. Oh, thank you. Natasha is a money machine. I'm gonna check it right away. Let me just see what it's doing here. I'm watching my other charts. Feels a little bit weird. Feels heavy, but also we have liquidity up there. So, not really sure. Trying to figure out. We are in the macro, by the way. Totally forgot. Is this gonna sweep orders? Who knows? There was a bearish scenario here. Yeah. Yeah, we have to observe this. I'm trying to figure out if it wants to take liquidity from the upside or just wants to take the elevator to sweep some lows. It got rejected from down there from the 800s, but I'm not sure what would be the final target for this. I mean, we still have time until lunch hour, but interesting. Feels like it wants to get back to the 90s. Gives me the impression that it might want to. I mean, to the 990s, but that again, it also feels heavy. I think it wants to go higher. Maybe not. I'm just curious. We have the new hour in 6 minutes. Let's wait for it. Let's go down. I don't know. It feels like a bear flag forming, maybe on the 1 minute, but I still don't know. Looks like it might want to go lower. Very interesting price action, that's for sure. I gotta give it that this is like very, very interesting. Feels like it want to go down, but then again, it's just, you know, hovering up there. Well, anyway, we're gonna have the 11 a.m. candle real soon. There's no consistency on evaluations on Bulenox, Kirk, so that's the good thing. Must be ICT. I'm waiting for two things. Once this level to break, or a displacement higher to decide the direction here. All right. Going lower. Going lower. We have a displacement finally, but we have 11 a.m. I feel like it might want to go even lower, much lower. Anyway, we'll see. If it wants to reprice everything, it has to go maybe below the 30s. And we have 800, which is very close. Okay. Here's the new hour. Let's see how far it goes. Could be an inversion here. Or maybe just trying to reprice. Yeah. 764 feet second, yeah. Waiting a wick to go lower. That might be. That might be the case. How far is this gonna go? Is this gonna completely change direction now that it picked up liquidity here? I'm really curious. And again, this 800-ish level is holding nicely. No structure shift or displacement, so that's why I'm not entering. to a long position. I'm actually waiting for more downside before it goes up. All right. Might want to go even higher to 912, or what's that, 11.50. Do I prefer Benz? I mean, yeah, Mercedes is a great car. I love them. SpaceX, Boeing. Man, I'm trying to figure this out, but it seems like we might have to. I mean, I'm going to wait for a displacement higher. If we have it, then I might take a long position. Otherwise, I'm skipping this. I'm going to wait a little bit. By the way, just saying, there will be no London stream tomorrow. Family stuff I have to take care of. Unfortunately, I'm sorry about that. So, no London stream tomorrow, but I'll be back for the New York session. But don't worry, I'm still waiting here. Trying to figure out, if I see a displacement, we take the trade. Not much happening for now. Oh, let me check, Kirk. I didn't read that. Minimum trading days on Eval. Sorry for asking. Yeah, no minimum trading day. 1 day pass. 1 day pass. It's 1 day pass, so no minimum trading days. Yeah, sorry, Kirk. I didn't hear that. I know you were. No, I wasn't reading. I was watching the chart to jump in maybe for a scalp, but I couldn't figure it out. I still can't figure this one out. Just go sideways. Hopefully, we'll see some kind of a direction here. Feels like it might want to take liquidity a little bit higher from this gap at this moment. But I'll be watching. I'll be waiting. It's just not doing it for now. Okay, now it's doing it. No, maybe not. Spiked higher. Okay, let's watch this for now. This could be an aggressive long entry, by the way. But it's not. A little bit heavy here. Okay, never mind. I wonder if it's gonna break the low there. That little swing, or sorry, wick down there. Not sure. This is a huge indecision here. Maybe the new 5-minute candle will show us something. Because this here is just a chop fest. Maybe down to 75. I don't know. We're stuck. Completely stuck here. Complete chop fest. Complete chop fest. How am I doing with the Take Profit Trader accounts here? I'm doing okay. I might gonna try to maybe scalp an Eval until we're not getting out from this area. Or test account. Looks good, maybe, for a drop. Going lower. Oh man. Okay, still no decision in direction. Yeah, Anthony. For Tick Trader, and it said it was invalid. Oh, for the Dom, if you want to use it for Dom, if you want to use it for the evaluation account, it's in the description as well, or in the chat. You have to use TTT40 eval. But you can click on my link if you would like to support. First, click on the link and use for evaluations. Use the code TTT40 eval. If you'd like to use the current biggest discount is Tom Sable 100. It's in the description, I think, or in the community post. Sorry, Tom Sable 100 for a 100k instant funded account, or for the 25k evaluation account is Tom Sable 25. Sorry for the. I know you're using it, Anthony. Sorry for the delay. I was really watching this chart. So yeah, Tom Sable 100 is the code for the 100k core direct account, and Tom Sable 25 for the 25k starter evaluation account. But on the other hand, TTT40 eval, yeah. Still holding along. I'm still trying to decide what to do. I don't want to touch my funded accounts here. Oh, where is it? You got the 250k account? Whoa! Did it give you any discount? Wasn't sure. But thank you if you were using the code. If not, still good. Let's see. How is this going? Still in the same range. There's like no point entering on this here. I wish I had some idea for this. Ah, direct funded 250k. I see. All right. But the regular Tom Sabo code could have gave you like at least 30%, I think. Oh no, it doesn't. Sorry, the 250k it's not giving. Yeah, the 250k it's not giving you. There's no code for that. That's the biggest account. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, no discount code for the biggest account. Yeah, nowhere. Not just for me, but nobody has a code for the 250k. That's the big league, you know. That's for the big boys. Yeah, I mean it depends, you know. Like Dominic's saying, it depends on your risk management style, you know. Depends on that. Until we're not getting out from this range, I might just not even gonna take a trade on this. Well, I Dominic, it's like there's no code for the 250k, but still. Oh, thank you, Dominic. Thank you so much. 900, but I went over. Then I have to make. Oh yeah, so the consistency rule. Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, the consistency rule is like that. Yeah, you have to keep on trading. I have to close the window here. All right, it's going. It's going. I'm the uncle for Kirk. Okay, finally, I think we could go up to the 90s here. No, I'm not long. I'm still waiting to get into a position here. Actually, I was thinking to maybe take a trade on the Take Profit Trader account, but I'm not sure. I might jump in for a scalp on an eval. Not sure. I mean, that would be great. To get up to the 90s, there definitely should be liquidity. So I'm a little bit curious if it wants to go or not. It's not going yet. Not going yet, but who knows? Picking up liquidity here. Could be an inversion here. How about that? Longing for long setup below. I don't know, man. I can't seem to figure this out. We were close to the upside, but it changed direction real quick. I don't know what really happened here. I don't know what happened here, but it does feel weird. Anyway, I'm in a short just for a few points needed from 906, and there we go, 10 points. Nice. 10 points for a scalp on the drop. Where is it? I just got a new funded account with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, awesome. Awesome, awesome. Unfortunately, this was still purchased under the activation fee promo. So, but hey, we got it. How far is this gonna go? I feel this one still wanna go. I mean lower. I'm not sure. There's a flat candle at 59. Okay, maybe repricing higher. Looking for a scalp. Yes, yes, but it was like way before. It was earlier. No, 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 no. No way. I'm not doing that kind of stuff. Yeah. I know, they're exchanging information. That's the problem. They're exchanging information. A lot. At least that's what they told. You know for sure. All right. No, I'm not doing hedging. No hedging, man. I'm just today I've just restricted myself to evals. All right. What is going on here? I feel like we should see this flat candle down there being taken out at 59, and we have this long and on the downside, I do like the 800 level. It has not been retested, but we're still in this range. With the funded accounts, only 3 can be. Yeah, I mean, you can have up to 11, Jay, but you can activate 3 at once. Once any of those accounts are going above 2600, for example, the safety threshold, then they will activate more. I mean, as I said, you just gotta make sure to trade the accounts above the safety net, and then you can request more activations. I know there was a time I had like 6 funded accounts with Bulenox at a time activated, and you know, like 3 or 4 of those were above the safety net. Yes, once you get an account above the safety threshold, for example 2600 on a 50k, you can request support to send the activation link, and you can pay the activation fee. It's going to be activated. Yeah, that's how it is. And you know, you can have 11 accounts, but most likely at least 8 out of those 11 accounts should be above $2,600. That's how, you know, there's the scaling thing on those accounts. So as far as of today, on the funded accounts, this one has been blown, the MyFundedFutures, and the Apex account, I requested the payout. It's under review. And for the Bulenox account, I'm waiting for $1,500 payout. And I managed to make a new... No, not this one. A new funded account. No, not this one. Which one is this? This one. A new Take Profit Trader funded account. I also passed a Bulenox account. I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. And I have one in dormant waiting for activating. So I have 2 more at Bulenox. 1 waiting for activation, 1 passed. So that's 3. And that's 1 more from Take Profit Trader. So I lost 1 MyFundedFutures account. I got 4 more. And I didn't buy new evals. These were the ones that I was left with. I'm a little bit unfortunate with the MyFundedFutures account, but it's okay. It's alright. Shouldn't purchase any more Bulenox accounts. Path 3, but haven't traded. Yeah, so, I mean, you can, obviously. But, you know, it comes in handy when it's in dormant. And you just have to activate it. Like, it's much more safer and easier. It's up to you, you know. Third, hello, welcome. Bulenox activation fee is $148 on the 50k account. It's $1 cheaper than TopStep. It's pretty standard, it's okay. What program is that you can see all your accounts? If you want to see all your accounts, then you have to use NinjaTrader in the same line, but Quantower can also give you that. Like, for example, with Quantower, I can also see my accounts, the ones that I've connected with. So, you know, that's it. You can also see everything with Quantower, but if you want to see everything on the same display tab, then NinjaTrader can do that for you. When it's in dormant, don't you have to activate it? No, you don't have to. That's the good thing, Jay. That's the good thing. If you have 3 accounts already, since it cannot be activated when those are under the threshold, they're just going to be there in pending mode. So they're just going to be in pending with no activation link. So you don't have to activate them. That's the good thing. You know, if it takes you, I don't know, weeks or months to get those accounts to above safety net, and you don't even have to activate until then. So if you take the account to, for example, $3,000, until you're not requesting support to activate the account, it's going to be staying in dormant, and you don't have to pay activation fee. On in pending mode, no, they're not charging. No. While in pending mode, no monthly charge, no monthly fees. It's just going to be there and stay there. So that's the good thing in that. So it's just going to stay there. Look at that. Seems like we might go down to the 800 level. Should have seen this better, the way it came down from there. But there was no entry that I liked. $760? It might possible. Yeah. Yeah. The gold long set up pre-market open. Really? Come on, third. I mean, obviously you have to help your mom, but hey, it was for a good cause. You have to think about that. It was for a good cause. Priorities, exactly. And by the way, I'm just saying. So tomorrow in the London session, I'm carrying my mother back to the hospital for treatment. So that's why I'm not going to be here. So as I said, priorities, or as Thur said, priorities. So yeah, and but I'll be here for a New York session. Don't worry. We have setups every day. Yeah, that's the good thing. If you have an edge, you have a system. That's all that matters. All right. Oh man, seems like it's a slow grind. Should be taking the 800 now. Look at this. It's below these wicks down there. I think it should go. Oh, this is a slow grind. And what to do here? I'm not gonna jump into a scalp, that's for sure. I'm not gonna jump into a scalp here. I'm glad that I made back my lost funded account. Actually, I made more. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy. No, sir. Yeah, I think I have to call them. There's no way around it. The market makers. Man, I don't know what to do with it. Is it going higher? You like it? All right. All right. Yeah, I'm just updating the promo here. Look at this. Now we're going back up there. What the hell is going on? 90 points up. 90 points up already. It should be breaking to the 90s. I don't know what was the deal with this. And it swept liquidity down there. Made a structure shift here and here, so 2 times. It might be good for a possible long position, by the way. Just saying. Might be good for long. But repricing the 5-minute here, I really want to see it break up to the 90s. There you go. There was the good long opportunity. But I'm not gonna go for it. Not yet. Not yet. Feels like Knight wants to go for the 980. Okay. I'm just gonna call it here. I'm sorry. I just can't do this anymore. No, really, I messed up a funded account here, and fortunately, I was able to get a new from Take Profit Trader, and waiting for payouts, and I passed 2 on Bulenox. Anyway, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna force it because I'm gonna do more stupid things, and I just don't want to. So I'm gonna call it here, and I'll be back tomorrow for New York session, and I can't be here for London, so sorry about that. No London stream tomorrow, but I'll be back in New York. And thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support, please use my codes and links. We have the new promo from Take Profit Trader. Check it out. I just put it out there in the community posts. And what else? The new MyFundedFutures promo is something new. I have to go into that. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow for New York. All right. God bless you all. Cheers. Thank you, third.